Hi everyone, this is Olivia, and I'm here to teach you some basic shuffle moves. These are like all of my basic moves that I've learned first, then I'm like adding on to them as time goes on. So the first move is the basic running man. So it's just the most basic shuffle move. So you'll start with leg up, and then when you put your right foot down, you're gonna slide your left foot back. So right leg up, you're gonna go down, and back. Transition, you're bringing your left leg up to the center this time. So come up, bring this leg back to the center, and now you're gonna throw this leg back as you throw this one forward. You're always gonna be going out and then bringing it back in, going out, just switching legs. So in, out, right leg in front, left leg in back, switch sides, in, out, in, out, out. Whenever I first started, it was a little difficult for me because I tried to do it at a fast pace immediately. It really helps to just keep practicing the moves slowly until you kind of get it in your muscle memory, and then it becomes really easy to go to faster beats. You can just kind of go. And what helps with this, I usually lead, because for a lot of slides and stuff I've been learning, you have to use the balls of your toes a lot. So when you do your shuffle, it helps to kind of go on the ball of your foot. Like you don't want to be up, of course, but your weight's going to be mostly on the ball of your foot, and that kind of makes it a little smoother. Our next move, it's kind of like I guess it is the Charleston, so I'll just show you guys. It looks like this. Your toe and heel are kind of like almost like touching, and you're kind of like creating a kind of like a V. So you're gonna have one foot in front of the other one, and then you're gonna just switch. Straighten your right foot, bring up your left, and then switch your foot to where it's in front this time. So you're creating that V again. So you start here with the right leg in front facing out, both toes are pointing outwards of your body. Straighten your leg and your foot, then you switch. Straighten, switch, straighten, switch. So right in front of left, straighten, cross, straighten, cross, straighten, cross. Right foot in front, straighten, cross, straighten, cross. So the other move I'm gonna show you, I don't know what this one's called, so I'm just gonna show you guys. Turn your left heel in, and then kick out your right heel. I'll have you try the other side. Just heel as you turn. Heel, turn this heel in, kick this heel out. Turn left heel in, kick right heel out, straighten your left leg, bring down your toe, and then you're going to turn this heel in, kick your left leg out. Now same thing, bring your left leg in as you straighten this one, so straighten, toe, and then move everything this way on your heels. Out, heel in, so everything goes this way. Straighten with your toe. Now move everything. Straighten. Out. Straighten on your toe with your right leg. Now kick out your left leg, bring your right heel in. Now bring it back in on your toe and straighten. And out. You can also do doubles just by instead of going on your toe when you straighten, you're going to bring your leg up and then go back out. You'll be out, you straighten, but you keep this leg up, and then you move your heel back out the same way and keep your foot out. I'm going to add one more move that's also super useful, and it's pretty simple. It's called a T-step. It's just a toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. You can add stuff to it. So it'll be toe, and then you can kind of kick down with it. So toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Toe your legs up, your heel kicks out, you bring it down. Toe goes in, you bring your knee up, heel goes out, bring your knee down. With all these moves, I feel like they're like the best basic moves because you can always add on to these and just have so much fun with these. I feel like you can move to so many different beats with them. From Running Man to the Charleston, what helps me is I always have this feeling for whenever I do the Charleston, I've gotten it in my muscle memory to do your toes in and then heels together. So toes, heels, toes, heels. So I've gotten used to doing that, and I feel like that really helped me learn these moves. This left leg's gonna stay down, but you're gonna turn your heels out. So Running Man, heels out, then you can go right into it. Running Man, heels out, Charleston. Going into the next move. 7, 8. Now lift your right leg to kick still to the right, and your heel's still going in. Just turn. So 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. T-step. So from this heel to heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you everyone for watching. I really hope this was helpful. If you guys learned something from it and you make your own video, please feel free to tag me. I'd love to see the videos you guys make. And also, if you ever want any future tutorials, let me know, because this is something new for me, but it's fun. And I love dancing. So I love you all. Thank you so much again. And I hope this helped.